Welcome back. It's that part of the show when Hormaz joins us to tell us about the big movers and the ones that were backed by delivery. Hormaz, morning.
Morning, Nigel. And ER&D names were the toast of the session yesterday. Or every single ER&D name did well, be it Tata Tech, Tata Elxsi, and even KPIT Tech for that matter after that upgrade that came in from JP Morgan. And take a look at the volumes that were as well with which they traded with. Tata Elxsi had close to 30 lakh shares traded. Tata Tech had close to 90 lakh shares traded. The KPIT Tech had 25 lakh shares traded as well, significantly above their 20-day averages. However, the delivery volumes may leave a little more room to desire, because out of those 30 odd lakh shares that were traded for Tata Elxsi, only 4.5 lakh shares were marked for delivery. Same for Tata Tech. Out of the 90 lakh shares, only 10 lakh shares were marked for delivery, while for KPIT, out of the 25 lakh shares, only 5 lakh shares were marked for delivery. So not significant in terms of delivery volumes, although even they were well above their 20-day average. The other stock that was in the news yesterday was ICICI Bank, and while HDFC Bank continued to underperform, this has been one name that has been keeping A, the Nifty losses in check, and B, also leading to the Nifty Bank's outperformance. Fourth straight day of gains for the stock, 6.5% higher in the last 4 sessions. It is nearing its own record highs of 1,500 rupees. Yesterday's session, 1.6 crore shares traded, almost double of their 20-day average. But the delivery volumes here were the highest in the last 3 weeks. Here, the delivery buying of almost 1,700 crores and 1.2 crore shares were marked for delivery here, compared to a 20-day average of around 55 lakh shares. So significant moves in ICICI Bank. And lastly, Cipla, another news flow driven reaction yesterday, among the top losers on the Nifty in yesterday's trading session. It snapped a 3-day gaining streak, the biggest single-day drop since April of last year. Wednesday's volumes were the highest in the last 6 months. 50 lakh shares were traded yesterday on Cipla, and over 20-day average being only 10 lakh shares. And out of those 50 lakh shares, close to 25 lakh shares were marked for delivery, the 20-day average being just around 6.5 lakh shares. And from its 52-week high, which is close to 1,700 rupees, the stock is down around 12%.
Thank you very much for that. We'll